I think I'm just gonna try their like what? Is it crowded? I'm heading to the office a little bit early today because I have a meeting at 9, but I'm really hungry right now, so I need to eat some sort of breakfast when I get there. It's like a really casual like coffee chat. She's really busy, so this was like the only time that worked for her. So yeah, I gotta go fast. I went to Whole Foods after work because I've been craving the spicy vodka rigatoni from Carbone. But I went to Whole Foods and they don't have the spicy version, so I was so sad. So I just got the regular vodka sauce. I ordered the spicy version on Amazon. Anyways, I have the rest of my pasta ingredients. Today I'm gonna use farfalle pasta. I have some shrimp, I have banana peppers, and then some green beans from my takeout order. I feel like I'm craving pasta because I'm rewatching Oh My Ghost, and it's, you know, based on like an Italian restaurant. So I've been craving it really bad. Pasta for dinner. Headed out to dinner. I'm going to this place called Shinsa, and it's literally like on the next block for me. It's like a Korean restaurant, and I'm like kind of out of breath because I need to leave now. I'm meeting my high school friends. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Jasmine's here? Or
Jasmine's here. Jasmine's here.
I just ordered groceries from Mart. Ew, I got kamchipat. I got like kampat mini mukbang, like chicken karage. My favorite ice cream. Butterfly pea dyed rice. Oh, I see the blue. Oh. Wait, I know. I can't even see them. Oh, I got his hat. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Yeah. 맛있겠다. 머리 보시시. I want to try this one.
We get one cinnamon bun, one pigs in a blanket, and one glazed lemon loaf. Carrot cake I also want.
Take a video of you. Oh, you got it. On the same. Sauce time. I love it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's kind of nice. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Now, like winding down for the day, and I'm gonna shower after, and then I think we're gonna watch Ice Princess. I've actually never watched it. We're gonna watch that tonight.